Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? 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 Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How is everyone doing? Hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking us out today. But if you are brand new to the channel, please do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button down below as we are on the journey to 10,000 subscribers this year. And you could be that subscriber to bring us that much more closer. So please do me a favor, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you're brand new, you're probably going to want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video around here. And me, personally, I like to keep it consistent. So please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Alright guys, before we jump into today's video, I got a package from KRS Graphic Tees. Now, I spoke with them on Instagram. If you want to check them out, their links will be in the description. I believe they sent me something to match the Thunder 4s, which they haven't dropped yet. I did a review on those. If you want to check that review out, just click the link at the top of the screen. It'll take you directly to that video. But let's see the t-shirt that they got us here. I believe is it one? I think it's just one piece. I'm not sure. We shall see though. Oh, it's actually two pieces. Alright, here's the first piece. This is fire, bro. Look at that. That's fire. May the fours be with you. That's super dope. Remember guys, if you want to get these tees, the links will be in the description. Let's check out the second one. We're just going to check these out first before we get into today's sneakers. Warning, watch the drip. Super fire. Thank you guys so much over at K. Let me see. I don't want to say it wrong. What's on this here? KRS, thank you guys so much, man. I truly appreciate you guys. Guys, if you liked any of these t-shirts, they got plenty more. Just click the link in the description and you can check them out on Instagram. Now, let's get into the meat and potatoes of today's video. As you can see, we got a Nike box. I already opened it, but I did not look at the shoe because I told you guys my coworker hit for this pair. Now, the box is just regular. We're going to do a detailed review, so make sure you stay tuned to the channel. We also are going to be doing a detailed review on those Air Jordan 5 crafts. I did an unboxing. If you didn't see that video yet, click the link at the top of the screen. It'll take you to that video. And you can check that out, but make sure you come back here so we can check these out. Now, I've seen a couple of unboxings, of this sneaker itself, and these things are individually wrapped, so let's check it out. Ooh. Here you guys go. Air Jordan 1 Next Chapter. I just call these the Spider-Man versus the Into the Spider-Verse 2.0s. These things are definitely sick in hand, bro. A lot of people were complaining about these things, but look at these. I'm telling you, the camera and pictures do not do them justice because the material on them, the materials are fire. I believe this sneaker is gonna go way up in price, in about a year. Right now they're sitting at, resale is sitting like right around 260. At first they were sitting at, last week they were sitting at like 300. But like I said, my coworker looked out with the hookup. So Jose, if you're watching, I truly appreciate you. But guys, make sure you stay tuned to the channel because we are going to be doing an on-foot review, a detailed review for this shoe, also for the Air Jordan 5 craft. So make sure you stay tuned to the channel. We got content coming. But until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.